For those of you that have been watching, I've got some dragon fruit on here. A couple of them are pretty nice sized. Like that one. Look at the size of that dragon fruit. Got a nice one up there. Got little ants all over them. Another one up there. Got a few new blossoms coming on too, which is weird for this time of year. There's a couple there, you see. And I have one over here that's getting ready to blossom. Right there. There's another little bud there. So I might actually get to eat a few this time. That's my dragon fruit update. I'll let you see them again when I pick them and cut them. That one, as you can see, compared to the size of my hand, it's a nice sized dragon fruit. So, if you like videos about gardening, please like and subscribe so I can make more. Here's my other dragon fruit bush, which I really haven't been focusing on because it's the white dragon fruit. They're nowhere near as tasty, but you can see it's got a couple of blooms that are new, and it's got some dragon fruit that are already starting to turn red on the outside. So we'll be eating them next couple days.